Welcome back, everyone. Wow, I just woke up to a payment deposited into my account. You too can wake up to that. Come, let me show you how. In this video, I will show you 4 side hustles you can use to make money daily. Make sure you watch this video to the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now so that you will not miss any amazing information. A lot of people doing 9 to 5 jobs are stuck and wish to get off this kind of stress and bondage. So, I had the same challenge before I discovered all the side hustles, which I'm going to share here with you today. The first side hustle we're going to talk about will be the LSSC scooter business. LSSC means local short distance scooter rentals, and I'll tell you how to start. Firstly, buy 2 to 5 electric scooters. It's good to start small. Quality brands available are from Segway or Xiaomi. Next, partner with a mobile app system. You can either make ready-made scooter rental apps or you can meet with local developers to partner with them. Place your scooters strategically in tourist spots, event grounds, or near the ranch entrance in case you work at the ranch and your ranch welcomes partners. Make sure to set up methods for payments. Pay per ride or daily rentals via QR code or an app. Here is what to do daily. Charge and maintain your scooters every evening. Track the location and use it via the app on your phone. Promote your scooter service on local Facebook groups and around ranch events or your places. Place clear instructions on your scooter for easy use. Before I go ahead, I would like to share this disclaimer. Everything I am sharing in this video is based on my public research and personal opinion. Going ahead to talk about the advantages of the LSSC scooter business. I love that it earns you passive income when your scooters are running, and it's very popular for tourists and events. Imagine during a horse ranch race or a wine event, people can move around easily. It's very scalable and you can add more scooters as your demands grow. A few disadvantages I've noticed is that you have to pay upfront for this investment, about 300 to 800 per scooter. There might be theft or vandalism risk, and you need reliable software or app to access it. It requires city and town approval in some areas. The next business to start is the affiliate marketing, and I'm sure a lot of you have heard about it. But are you doing it right? Let me show you how to do it right. To begin your affiliate marketing, sign up for affiliate programs with industries like Amazon, or you can use AI tools like MagicLight AI and VideoGen. You will be given a link which you will now use to create content related to that program. Create contents like ranch vlogs, YouTube videos, Instagram reels, blog posts, showcasing how these tools or products help in daily ranch life or daily life for other people. Facebook Marketplace listing is the next side
Yes,
hustle.
you heard me right.
You can make
Facebook
extra money
Marketplace.
selling old items, reused items, or even new items. You just need to know what people want and how to set it up. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Getting started is easy, even if you're brand new. Just search for deals nearby. Start by browsing the free or low price listing on Facebook Marketplace in your area. Look for items like wooden furnitures, power tools, baby gears, home decor, and much more. Step 2. Inspect, clean, or fix it up. When you get the items, make sure it's usable. Give it a wipe down, tighten the screws, maybe a fresh coat of paint. Presentation matters. You're adding value. This next step is very essential for you to be able to make good money. Take high quality photos of the items you're going to be selling. Make sure that you use natural lighting. Morning or evening is the best to take your pictures. Take clear shots from multiple angles. And please, no clustered backgrounds. It makes your item to stand out properly. After this, write a good title and description. Be honest but persuasive. Highlight its features, condition, and why it's a great deal to use. Keywords like new, rare find, sturdy, or must go. Your pricing is the most important part. Set the right price. Check what similar items are selling for. Start a little higher so you can have room to negotiate. People love to bargain. Expect it. Now let's keep it real. Every side also has its ups and downs. There's fast cash in, flipping stuff on Facebook Marketplace, and there is no upfront investment if you start with free items. It's great for building negotiation and business skills, and it teaches you how to spot value. But the disadvantages are you will need storage space for your items. Some buyers might ghost or haggle hard. It takes effort. Picking up, cleaning, photography, responding to messages. But for many a times, it becomes a fun little treasure hunt and the one that really pays. About it. This Facebook Marketplace side hustle has helped me make quick cash when I needed it most, from fixing my broken tech to buying new gear for the ranch. And the best part, anyone with a little smartphone and a little hustle can do it. So, are you ready to turn your eye for bargains into daily income? Start small, test the waters, then scale up. Facebook Marketplace could be your daily bread if you play it smart. I saved the best for the last. Shopify Dropshipping. I'm going to tell you a little bit of how to start and how to choose a niche. Let's go ahead. First and foremost, choose your niche. It could be like ranch lifestyle or wine accessories, horse gears, or AI gadgets. So the first thing to do is to connect to a drop shipping app like Oberlo or Spocket. Then source your trending products. You never need to handle inventory. Although it's a bit techy, but don't let that scare you. If you ever dreamed of running your own store without worrying about where to keep the stock or how to ship things, this is for you. First, let's talk about what is Shopify dropshipping. It is a business model where you can run an online store, but you do not keep your inventory. Instead, when someone buys from your website, the supplier ships it directly to customers. You're the bridge between the buyer and the product. Better way to describe it, it's like you herding the cattle without needing to own the entire field. Here is how I started and how you can start too. Even if you're working from a dusty ranch like mine, you open a Shopify store by visiting shopify.com and sign up for free trial. And then you start customizing your store. No coding needed. They've got themes, just plug and play. Now, the next step is to choose your niche. This is very key. Don't try to sell everything. Just pick a lane. Hot niches, sustainable living, pet gear, beauty tools, tech gadgets, or even ranch inspired decor. You know, I once tested Western style home accents and it did surprisingly well. Now, listen to this part. Connect with your supplier with Oberlo or DSers. These apps help you import products. It's linked to places like AliExpress and you can connect it to your Shopify store with one click. Once someone orders, your supplier handles the rest, the shipping, the packaging, and all of it. Make sure you focus on great product pages. Use high quality images, clear descriptions, and compelling benefits. You're not just selling an item, you're selling convenience, lifestyle, and a solution. Be market smart. Here's where the game is won or lost. Use Facebook ads, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even YouTube Shorts like me. Talk about your products through storytelling tutorials, or themed videos. Every business has its own downside. All right, let's break it down because there's no hustle that is perfect, right? I love that you don't need to hold any inventory or worry about shipping. You can run your store from anywhere, even on my ranch. You can have global reach and 24/7 income potential, scalable and automated over time. But then there is high competition. Everyone wants in. Customer service is your job. Even when suppliers mess up, you have to attend to the customers. There is also the issue of shipping delays, which can affect customer satisfaction. It requires constant testing to find a winning product as well. But hey, here is what I know. If you're creative, consistent, and willing to learn, dropshipping can take you far and fast. I have shipped to places I've never even visited, all from my desk, right here on the ranch. That's the beauty of modern hustle. The success doesn't have to be tied to your location. So, what would your store sell? Let me know below. Maybe I'll come check it out. If you have found value in the information I shared here today, please give me a thumbs up and click the like button, and also leave a comment below to let me know which of the side hustle resonates with you. If you want more information, let me know and I will be right there to answer all your questions. Thank you for staying to the end with me, and see you in the next one. Also, do not forget to tune in for Robot Fred series every Thursday, Saturdays, and Sunday. You will really, really enjoy watching it. Thank you all, and God bless.